Charles Parish residents still recovering from Ida are now facing skyrocketing flood insurance rates. They met tonight to voice their concerns at a town hall with FEMA representatives present. David Jones has more.
What I say is I'm insurance poor. We can't afford anything else. All we do is pay for insurance.
Like so many residents of South Louisiana, Cheryl Grimes is getting ready for another increase in her flood insurance premium.
FEMA says this is what you pay. And that's what I pay.
She lives in an area with low to moderate flood risk. FEMA calls this Flood Zone X. This year, her premium is around $577.
And that's the minimum. That's $150,000. That's not even what my property's worth. But I can't go up that high because then I'm gonna pay over $600. And we're senior citizens, okay? We live on a fixed income.
Under FEMA's new system for calculating flood risk, called Risk Rating 2.0, Cheryl and others in Flood Zone X could see as much as an 18% increase in their premiums, and that's just in the first year.
I mean, next year, there's no telling how much it can go up from there.
Kyle Fontanelle lives in the nearby Ashton subdivision, also Zone X. He pays around the same as Cheryl, but his adjuster said to expect increases.
In addition to flood, you couple that with property insurance increases from Ida, and people are just going to be seeing overall massive increases in insurance premiums.
It's going to kill the housing economy in St. Charles Parish and for Southeast Louisiana.
Matthew Jewell is parish president.
On one hand, we have the Corps of Engineers who just said that a $1.5 billion levee project is a good thing for this area. The cost benefit makes sense. And on the other hand, the paradox is that FEMA is basically making it unaffordable to live here.
Phase 1 of Risk Rating 2.0 was implemented in October. That saw drastic increases for new flood insurance policies. Phase 2, which affects existing policies, will be implemented on April 1st. Once you renew, there's the potential for 18% annual increases.
It doesn't just impact your budget, it actually devalues your home. And we have seen direct relationships between the devaluing of homes and these rising or exploding flood insurance rates.
Congressman Garret knocked FEMA, saying the program, which assesses home risk of flooding on an individual level rather than a flood map, is ineffective.
This is absolutely unacceptable, and I think it demonstrates a failure of the federal government to come in with this type of approach where you're forcing people to move, forcing people's homes to effectively become worthless or at least upside down in their mortgage.
A FEMA rep who was present at tonight's meeting told the crowd he doesn't even think it's fair because these older homes were built to the old FEMA standards, but he didn't write the policy. He was just there to answer questions. Congressman Graves told me he's pushing to make affordability a component of insurance premiums. Governor John Bel Edwards is still calling on FEMA to be more transparent, work with states to help homeowners whose property value is jeopardized.